sand fans and lunatics, Sand Phil here. Well, hey, guess what? Today we got in some parts. I called my buddy Mike over at Moore's Parts. If you guys need any VW, sand dune, that kind of parts, call up Moore. I'll put a link in the description below. Well, I called him up and I ordered me up a couple inner tubes, one for that big old tire, that paddle tire, and then another one for the front tire. So let's get putting those in, or let's at least get started putting the front one in. How about that? It's like 90 degrees outside, guys, so I don't know how long I'm going to last in this, but I know, February, 90 degrees. Go figure. Anyway, I'm going to start with the front one because I think that's going to be easier. You know, I've had 2 tries on that back paddle tire and haven't gotten it right yet, so let's start on the front one. Let's get going, man. Tube in the front tire, so we got something done today. It's 90 degrees outside and it's February. Go figure. This is my vicious pit bull. Her name is Sasha. She's about, I guess she's 10 years old now, aren't you? Couldn't it be an old girl? And this is Calypso. All of them are strays or rescues. We love them, don't we? Don't we? So she's pit bull, she's Pyrenees and Shepherd mixed together. This is this is Sasha. This is Calypso, and y'all met Robert Paulson, right, Robert Paulson? Anyway, from Sam Phil and all the dogs, this is Sand Phil out. Be safe on the dunes. Bye.
What the hell?